I found this little Christmas tree at Just a Buck. I have also seen them at the Dollar Tree. And with my shortcut black spray paint, I sprayed it black. And I have these little boot ornaments also that I got at Just a Buck. And I'm going to glue them together. And I'm going to take the string I just removed from the top because they were ornaments and tie it around the collar of the boots just for extra security. Now I'm going to take my tree and stack it on top of the boots. I found this Santa beard also at Just a Buck. And I'm going to glue it to my tree. And I found this gingham print Santa hat also at Just a Buck. And I'm going to tighten it in the back and glue him in the front and then glue down all the folds so that it fits correctly. And then glue along the seam so it all holds together. I love these little clamps. I get them at the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 6, and they just help hold down, especially when I'm working with material, until the glue is cooled off. The glue is not completely secure until it's cooled down. I'm just going to hold that while the glue cools off. Now I found this half a bead at Hobby Lobby. It was in a pack of, I think, 6. And I'm just gluing that just under the cap for his nose. And now you have a cute little Christmas gnome. So I found these little skis also at Just a Buck. And I glued it to his side. It's just an ornament. You can probably grab any ornament or any wreath and glue it to his side. So here you go. Cute gnome. I hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now find our videos at chalkandupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching.